Hello, I'm Dr. Bill Nicole. This presentation is on the value of chiropractic care. Too often a patient will come into my office stating that they've never had a problem, and all of a sudden now they're in severe pain with numbness going down into their arm and hand or leg and foot. So why does this happen? This happens over time when the patient's spine has lost its normal curves and is out of balance, causing abnormal wear in the joints and lost disc height space. The result is pressure, then irritation on the nerve, causing inflammation of the nerve and abnormal functioning. The abnormal functioning is pain, numbness, and/or spasms in the muscles. The muscle spasms lock the body up in that area, causing decreased circulation and more pain. This can happen by doing something as simple as picking up a piece of paper off the floor, and your low back goes out, in layman terms. Chiropractic care consists of three phases: acute, corrective, and wellness. Acute care is when someone is suddenly in pain, as I've mentioned, and that's when most often they will see a chiropractor. Acute treatment takes approximately 1 to 8 visits. Corrective care involves ongoing treatment after the pain is stopped to correct these imbalances and lost normal motion in the joints, and varies in the number of treatments depending on the patient. Wellness care treatment is usually 1 time per month to maintain the movement and optimize the nerve conduction flow in the spine. In this illustration, the cervical spine, we are seeing the proper curve of the vertebrae, and the green light flashing down indicates normal nerve functioning, supplying organs and muscles. This is the natural flow. What happens through bad posture and lifestyle habits, we develop what is called a subluxation complex, resulting in straightening and or loss of normal curve of the spine. Observe the spine straightening, and the light coming out of the spine turned colors from green to red, indicating loss of normal conduction, which affects organs and muscles. If the bad posture is not corrected, the misalignment and abnormal wear over time will cause the spine to compress on itself, as illustrated in the next view. This is labeled Phase 1 degeneration. If the process continues, it develops into Phase 2, more compression. Disc flattening and bone spurring of the vertebrae bodies. Notice here in the front the bone spurring and the discs are flattening out. Chiropractic adjustments, strengthening and stretching exercises can improve these imbalances, restoring more of normal functioning spine. Without care and poor posture, it will develop into Phase 3, as illustrated, and most often requires surgical intervention. This is what we're seeing here. Here is x-rays. On the left, the view showing the normal curvature of the spine with the disc height being normal, and here on the right you see the vertebrae are misaligned, they're straightened, and the disc height has been lost. Now, starting over, we have the natural curvature of the spine. We get subluxations over time, and chiropractic care with adjustments. You'll notice the spine straightening and the light turning from red back to green, restoring more normal function. Once corrective care has been completed, one of the great benefits of chiropractic care is wellness or maintenance care. I recommend people coming into my office once a month, assess each vertebrae for lack of movement, and correct it with chiropractic manipulation, resulting in more normal function, and that optimizes their health. Yes, you can get by without chiropractic care, just like you can get by without flossing your teeth, but eventually it's going to catch up with you. Not flossing your teeth will cause gum problems. Even though you may be brushing your teeth, you still need additional care. You may exercise on a regular basis, even doing yoga, but you still need additional care to keep mobility and normal motion in your vertebrae, in your spine. So not doing that will increase spinal degeneration. I hope you find this presentation valuable and will seek a chiropractor in your area to help optimize your health.